Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Salma. Today, we're going to learn something very useful in English. We will talk about the words has and have. Don't worry if you sometimes feel confused about these words. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to use them correctly. First, let's understand what has and have mean. Both words show possession or ownership. They tell us that someone owns or has something. For example, I have a book. She has a book. Both sentences tell us that someone owns a book. The meaning is the same. The difference is the subject we use with them. Now let's learn when to use have. We use have with I, you, we, they. Listen to these examples. I have a bicycle. You have a nice bag. We have English class today. They have 2 dogs. Excellent. Remember, these subjects always use have. Next, let's learn when to use has. We use has with he, she, it. Examples. He has a laptop. She has a beautiful dress. It has 4 legs. Whenever you see he, she, or it, use has. Here's an easy trick to remember. Think like this. For one person, use has. He has, she has, it has. For I, you, we, and they, use have. I have, you have, we have, they have. This simple rule will help you avoid mistakes. Now let's practice with a real-life conversation. Do you have a smartphone? Does your sister have a smartphone? Do your parents have a car? Notice how we use have and has naturally when talking about everyday things. Let's talk about some common mistakes. Many learners say, he have a bicycle. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is, he has a bicycle. Another common mistake is, she have long hair. The correct sentence is, she has long hair. Always remember, he, she, and it take has. Now let's do a quick quiz. Fill in the blank. I, a pen. The answer is have. She, a cat. The answer is has. They, many friends. The answer is have. He, a blue shirt. The answer is has. Great job if you answered all of them correctly. We can also use has and have when talking about family. For example, I have 2 brothers. We have a big family. My father has a car. My mother has a garden. These are simple and useful sentences for daily conversation. Let's review everything we learned today. Use have with I, you, we, they use has with, he, she, it. Remember this rule and practice it every day. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and found it helpful. Keep practicing has and have in your daily conversations. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Thank you for listening. See you in the next English Learning Podcast.